Hi, my name is Anil from Odour Science. Odour Science is the #1 biocidal company when it comes to odor elimination, sterilization, decontamination, and most importantly, infection control solutions. It's an air sterilization solution from Odour Science that is used to decontaminate any airspace from bacterial and viral infections. Airgiene works by releasing tiny molecules of this chemical into the air using a system of lock-release patent technology, and this ensures that the air around you is completely sterile. It's dry, it doesn't add any humidity to the air, so it will stay in the air continuously for a period of a number of hours to offer optimal disinfection. Yes, it is. Currently, there's a Google patent and a European patent on this product, proving the efficacy that it is highly effective against COVID-19. Airgiene has been developed by Odour Science over a number of years in consultation with world-class scientists, microbiologists, and public health experts. Yes, it is. There are many certifications that exist in the world for chlorine dioxide solutions, from water purification all the way through to Ebola and anthrax decontamination. It has been around for a number of years, if not centuries, at least about 140 that I can think of. 140 years it's been in existence, and has been primarily used by the US government for the decontamination of anthrax and Ebola during 2001 attacks on the US. We have three different models for the current economic climate. The one is we call a preventative treatment model. This model is primarily used to avoid the spread and contamination of COVID-19 and many other respiratory ailments as well. The second one we have is what we call a combination treatment. So this is basically a bolstered up preventative model whereby the client's concern is to also eliminate certain other forms of bacteria and viruses that could be lurking around the workspace. The third one I have is called the full decontamination treatment, and this one offers a very high level of a gas that's pumped through the office space that will decontaminate your offices at 99.9999%, offering the client a 6-log pathogen kill. There's no other chemical that offers this high level of efficacy. Well, Airgiene is not a chemical that's firstly toxic to begin with. I believe that we don't need to use a hazmat suit unless we're dealing with a biosafety level 3 or biosafety level 4 pathogen, which is like Ebola, anthrax, or some high contaminant agent. The reason why people have to wear those suits is, I'm sure the chemical that they're working with must be very toxic, or they're trying to prevent the spread of the virus or themselves getting contaminated with it. I'm so convinced of our solution that just by working with our solution, we are not placing ourselves at any risk to contracting any virus. Usually it would take about maybe 1 to 2 hours. What we found, best results are obtained by leaving the solution overnight. The WHO, the World Health Organization, has established that COVID-19 is an airborne respiratory-based infection, which means that everybody knows that tiny molecules will actually spread the disease. What Airgiene does is it ensures that the air that it's protecting is completely sterile. So when there's a tiny infected droplet of COVID-19 in the air, it will neutralize the actual virus. There are no negative side effects of this chemical. It's completely biodegradable and eco-friendly, and it's typically used in water purification. Most definitely. In fact, food preservation is one of our specialities. There are numerous EPA and FDA approvals for the use of chlorine dioxide in food preservation. Airgiene is typically deployed in very low concentrations, and it's been proven safe for humans and animals to be in the environment. Yes, that would be our full decontamination treatment, where the entire area is sealed according to our standard decon protocol, and then we will treat that area. Odour Science offers 6, 12 and 24-month service level agreements, and what the service level agreements entail is that it offers the client 24/7 protection against any viral infections and contaminations. Other than a standard clean, no further preparation is required from the client's perspective. Our solution is totally clean. There is no mess, no fuss, and it's very simply administered. We have no restrictions in terms of area size. So as large an environment as you have, we can accommodate that. There are numerous uses for Airgiene, from odor removal to decontamination of mold spores, through to cigarette smoke, just to generally freshen up the air and also provide more sterility in the air. So it could also be used in terms for food preservation, in refrigeration solutions, and so forth.